very shining and refreshing morning to all esteemed teachers and my dear friends. My name is Dia.
And my name is Palin. Today we stand before you to speak about one of the greatest politicians and social reformer of our beloved country, Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar.
Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, also known as Baba Saheb Ambedkar, he was born on 14 April 1891 in Mau cantonment of Madhya Pradesh. His teacher Mahadeva Ambedkar, Abraham, was fond of him and changed his surname from Ambedkar to his own surname Ambedkar. In school records, his father's name was Ramji Maloti Sakpal. He was Subedar in Indian Army. His mother's name was Bhima Bai Sakpal. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar had two brothers, Balram Anand Rao, and his four sisters, Manjula, Tulasa, Gangabai, Ramabai, and other 7 siblings died at a young age. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar married to Ramabai on 14 April 1906. At the time of their marriage, Ambedkar was 15 years old and Ramabai was 9 years old. After the death of Ramabai on 27 May 1935 and on 15 April 1948, Ambedkar did second marriage with Savita and her sister on 29 May 2003.
Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar belonged to SC, scheduled caste, which was considered as untouchable by upper caste, which is influenced him deeply to fight for equality for SC and ST, because he also faced the problems that SC faces at that time. He can understand their situation and ask for equality to everyone. He plays a very important role in making of Constitution, as he is considered as chief architect of Constitution of India. He is also known as Godfather of India. Also, he is of the most educated person of the world. He received his PhD in economics from Columbia University in 1927. He studied for 21 hours and mastered 64 subjects and mastered in 99 languages: Hindi, Pali, Sanskrit, English, French, German, Marathi, Persian, and Gujarati. From University of Mumbai, he did MBA, and from Columbia University, he did MA, PhD, and LLB. From London School of Economics, he did MSc, BSc from Grace. He has 4 doctorate degrees. He is the first Indian doctorate and first Prime Minister of independent India. He wrote books like The Constitution of India, Annihilation of Caste, The Partition of India, Philosophy of Hinduism, etc. He was awarded by Bharat Ratna in his work to improve condition of India in 1990. He is also the first scholar of India.
Thank you for your precious time and your interest.